Hello guys, Tejas Tech here. In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 AI tools which you can use right now. So these 5 AI tools are Perplexity, ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Photor, and Sora. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how we can use this easily. So it's not just for big companies anymore; anyone can use it. So, so I'm gonna start the video, and the first tool I'm gonna teach you about is Perplexity. Okay. So this is a Perplexity AI tool. So it's similar to Google, but instead of giving you a lot of links, it just gives you a straightforward answer. So here I'm just gonna ask it. If you didn't know, guys, the new iPhone 17 Air just came out. So I'm going to ask it compare compare iPhone 17 Air with Samsung's S25 Edge, which is a similar equivalent. So I'm just gonna put it right here. It's gonna, yeah, see, it just, okay, it, so here it is. Like the display size is a bit bigger on the Samsung. iPhone 13 is a bit thinner. Samsung is a bit lighter. So the specs kind of vary. So and Apple is actually cheaper. So you can even so it can really teach you with anything. But instead of giving you links, it just gives you a straightforward chart. I'm gonna ask it one more thing. Explain photosynthesis in simple terms. Okay, so I just put this explain photosynthesis in simple terms. Look, it just gave you a straight answer. Okay, so this is one of our AI tools, Perplexity. It's a great AI tool if you just wanna get a straightforward answer. So our next tool is 11 Labs. 11 11 Labs. So this 11 Labs tool is only for like it focuses more on voice. So here this is the homepage. Look, there's a huge voices library, which there are many voices options, which has like it has many languages, and like it even shows you like the description of the people and what nationality they kind of like represent. So I'm just gonna put this random thing.
They say he walks after midnight, wrapped in fog, face hidden.
Okay, so this is just one example, and there's even language collection. So I'm just gonna give you an example, and I'm gonna press French. So look, I'm just gonna press this
Vous
one.
recherchez une voix narrative pour un audiobook, une story ou tout autre projet audio.
As you can see, it just like gives you something like listening, and then there's text to speech, which this is the actual thing where you can customize your voices, and you can like look, you can just download the voices and it'll come in the voice library. So you can just put it and you can type something. Like for example, I'm gonna just put hi. I'm just gonna generate my speech.
Hi.
It costs credits over here, so yeah, you only have some of them cost 0 credits, but some these like verified things, yeah, they cost a few like credits. It varies. So you can even put voice changer. So you can even put a sample of your own voice, and it can mimic your own voice. So this is this tool level 11 Labs. It's a very good tool if you just wanna like for voiceovers and voice editing. Okay, so our next tool is called Photor. So guys, this is the tool Photor. So it has many tools. It's similar to a tool called Canva, but instead it's free. It's a very underrated tool, and you can put like whatever you want. So for example, it has magic eraser. Okay, so I'm just going to put this picture over here. Yeah, of this stick man with a green background. So I'm just gonna erase this. Okay, and remove. It just takes a while. It's at 50% currently. It takes some time. Yeah, so as it's taking time, Photo is a very underrated tool. You can put anything you want. It does a lot of things. You can adjust it. There are effects, and then there's beauty, frames, text, elements. Up. You can even you can upload your own picture here. Guys, this is taking a bit time to finish, so I'll just be right back. Okay, guys. So as you can see, there's a small dot remaining. I didn't really erase it properly, so I can just remove it again. It's similar to what Samsung and Apple have on their phones, but it's just a bit better, and you can even use it on your laptop. So I applied it, and this actually did a pretty good job. So I'm gonna try another AI tool, which is background remover. So it's even removing the background of the same picture. It didn't really do that much of a good job, so I'm gonna do it one more time. Yeah, as you can see, it removed most of it because it's actually a decent tool because it's free and it does a decent job. So yeah, see, even old photo restorer, AI background. So Photo is a very good tool. It's similar to It's like a photo hub, an AI photo hub. Like you can do any editing. It's a good photo editor. Okay, so I just explained Photor. Our next tool is gonna be Sora. I'm just gonna search up Sora. So Sora is an AI video generating tool. It's basically you can. Okay, so there's a library of other people's videos, and the library is pretty cool. Like a bunch of videos, it's really not really that coming because it's kind of glitching. It takes a while to load. Yeah, see, there was one just loaded up. Okay, guys, so the AI video library is not really working for some reason, but I managed to load up the AI image library. And fun fact, Sora is actually by ChatGPT, so you can just open ChatGPT and there's a Sora option on the side. But see, this is pretty good. For an AI generated, these are very good AI generated photos. So I'm just gonna make my own AI image. Make an image of a man. I'm just gonna put this right here. It takes some time. I have I have used this before. It's taking a while. I'll just be right back. So guys, I'm back, and this is what Sora generated. It takes like 5 minutes, but like this is really good. I bet if you handed this to a person, they wouldn't even realize that this is AI generated. And you can even make AI videos, but for some reason it's not really working. Let me try once more. It's not coming. So I can only do AI images right now because the other thing is lagging. So, and it's not even really working fully. So, and you can even upload your own pictures into this, and people can search more of yours, and they can appreciate it over here. So it's kind of like a social media where you can upload your own AI pictures, whatever you want. So Sora is a really good AI image or video generation tool. Like you can just put a prompt right here, and it'll just give you something. So this is my media. You can make new folders. So this is Sora, and then I'm gonna give you one more tool. This is the most like tool which most people really know. ChatGPT. So here's ChatGPT. So I'm just gonna So you might realize ChatGPT and Perplexity are pretty similar. Perplexity, you can use it for straightforward answers, but ChatGPT, you can use it for like creative, more flexible answers. So I'm just gonna ask it like, what is AI? You see, it just like gives you everything. Look, it just asks you, would you like me to give a simple everyday example of AI in action? So guys, I'm back, and now I have an entire article. So this is the tool ChatGPT, and I'm just gonna show how good it is. So I have an entire article. I have an article about the entire Apple history. So I'm just gonna put simplify this. Guys, be right back. So guys, I just shortened it, and here, but it's still a bit too long, so I'm just gonna ask it, make it to bullet points. So guys, I do not have the like, what do you say, I do not have the paid subscription, so normally if you type make it to bullet points, it usually comes, but I've hit my limit of free, so I can't really do anything. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to log out because I hit my free ChatGPT limit. So this is the huge article about iPad. I mean Apple, which is so huge. It's like thousands of words. So I'm just gonna put simplify this to bullet points. Look, it's so long. Okay, here. Look, 1976, founded by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne in the garage. Look, Apple One first product. So it gave a huge, like, look, founding in early years, key innovations, Macintosh, struggles and legal issues, Steve Jobs comes back, Tim Cook era, and this is actually a really brief explanation, which is really good. This is what they made: Mac, iPhone, iPad, iPod, Apple Watch, MacBook, AirPods, Apple TV, and Apple Pay, iCloud, and App Store. So this is really good. You can ask it to shorten it more. So let's just see. I'm just gonna put it a little bit more shorter. Look, it's very good. Like as I told, it's more creative and flexible than Perplexity, because Perplexity is just similar to Google, but ChatGPT is a bit more creative and flexible, but it's not that straightforward. So if you want to really use it like Google, Perplexity, but if you want creative and flexible answers, ChatGPT. So this is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it, and if you do, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.